Hi, my name is Danae Gossett. I'm a multidisciplinary designer and animator specializing in experimental animation. I have collaborated with companies such as Delcan & Co., ArtCamp, Segmeister & Walsh, and Walsh. I experiment with animation techniques to find new ways of conveying emotions. I usually try to blend together what I find beautiful from the digital and physical world. My goal is to make people wonder how each clip was made. I populate my animations with dreamlike images by using graphic elements, textures, and playful experimentations. I like to wander with intention and keep my creative process very free. I often find that inspiration is everywhere if you look at things through a specific lens. In this Domestika course, you will learn how to make animation using analog and digital techniques. For the final project, you will create a short experimental animation and hopefully have fun animating in new ways. To get started, I'll show you my creative process and the tools I use to create experimental pieces. Then, we will learn how to collect references and beginning our project by creating a shape in Cinema 4D and animating it. After that, we will move to InDesign to create the PDF of our sequence that we will later print. Then, we will paint over our frames using acrylic paint and pastel. We will scan the sequence and bring it back into the computer. I'll explain how to clean up the frames and apply color correction to the final sequence animation. Lastly, I'll explain how to export your experimental piece and share it on social media. By the end of the course, you will be able to create your own animation and experiment with different techniques. To follow me, some basic knowledge of Cinema 4D will be an advantage. You will need art supplies of your choice, like color pencils, crayons, or acrylic paints. You will also need a scanner and a printer, and the softwares Cinema 4D, Photoshop, InDesign, After Effects, and Media Encoder. This course is for those who would like to experiment with the digital and physical world to create animations. Experiment a playful approach to animation. So just grab any tools and have fun animating in new ways.